I have Samsung Galaxy J6 and let me show you how to check for updates on the following device, and let me show you how to check out the current version of the device system. So at the very beginning, let's open the list of all apps, choose here settings, then scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose software update. So here you can use the following options. You can, for example, download software automatically. The device is looking for any available updates. The phone is checking for updates, and as you can see, the latest updates have been already installed, so we don't need to do anything. Here we've got our current version and security patch level. Here you can also enable the download updates automatically. You can also schedule software updates if you would like to set some time. Here you've got your last update information. So that's it. You can also go back here and choose about phone, for example, to read here some information about your software. Let's tap software information, and here you've got your Android version, Samsung Experience version, and other stuff. Here you've got also your Android security patch level. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.